Welcome back to my channel. It's Sugar Salon TV. It's your girl M Williams, and I'm doing a crochet braid removal. This may seem like very self-explanatory, may seem like a no-brainer, but the reason I put this brief video on here with showing you how to remove the crochet braids is because whenever I install crochet braids on clients, sometimes when they take them down themselves, they end up cutting their own hair. Which I always be like, okay, how did they cut their hair? Because it's just so easy to take them out. So I don't want to take it for granted that people know how to do that. So I'm just doing this very quick video. It's very brief. So anyway, you see I put these crochet braids in. I'm going to drop the video down below showing where I did this install. But you guys, to remove them, all you have to do is just cut right beneath the knot that you tied, or the knot that I tied. Just cut right beneath the knot. That's all you have to do, is cut right underneath the knot. If you try to cut through the knot, you may end up cutting your own hair. So I'm just showing you, all you have to do is cut right underneath the knot, because if you cut underneath the knot, you definitely won't be cutting your own hair out. So cut underneath the knot, and then once you cut underneath the knot like what I'm doing, then you just kind of pull the little short knot, which I'm going to show you. So right now I'm just cutting a lot of them. I'm showing you that I'm just cutting underneath the knot. You see what I'm doing? It's so simple, you guys, because you guys got to stop cutting your own hair out with the crochet braids. So if you just cut under the knot, then you'll be good. And then you don't even have to cut that close to the knot. You see, I'm cutting about 1/4 of an inch a ways down from the knot. So then once you've done that, all you do is pull. When you pull it like what you see me doing here, it's gonna come right out. So again, the reason I made this brief video, because a lot of times my clients, some of them have cut their own hair. So I hate for people to cut their own hair down, like really short down like that. You know, just taking out crochet braids, which is the easiest thing to do ever. So I just thought I'd make this brief video. I hope it helps you guys. But again, don't cut the knot. Cut underneath the knot, like you saw me doing in the video. And then once you cut them all, just pull. Once you pull that knot, it's going to slide right loose. You guys, you can take your whole head of crochets out with this method in probably like 20 minutes, 30 minutes at the most. But you're just going to cut underneath the knot and then just pull. Now you see how simple that is. I hope this helped you guys. I hope you guys, I'm trying to put more tutorials on here, and whatever I think of, I'll put a tutorial on. But if you have any ideas, please, or suggestions, just drop them down below. You can also subscribe by just scanning that QR code. And it's that simple, you guys. Very simple. I hope you guys have been enjoying my videos. See, voila. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.